Hello Shouters, welcome to another video episode of Shout Me Loud, and I'm your host Harsh Agrawal. Well, this video is a follow-up video of Partner Stack. Partner Stack was known as GrowSumo back in the days when I reviewed it for the first time, and today I got an email saying like they have upgraded their marketplace. So I thought let's explore this platform together and let's see what this new platform, the reimagined Partner Stack marketplace looks like. In case if you don't know, Partner Stack is another affiliate marketplace and which is focused on the SaaS businesses. So as long as you're promoting a SaaS platform, this Partner Stack is for you. Or if you're a SaaS company and looking to launch your own affiliate program, you can use Partner Stack to launch your affiliate program. So the last time when I talked about Partner Stack, that was almost 3 years back. It was known as GrowSumo, and they rebranded that to Partner Stack. So it will be a good idea to check out this new platform, see what this platform offers, and yeah, let's figure out what all interesting stuff is there. So I'm also watching it for the first time along with you. So bear with me if I make some mistake here. Now, you can find many interesting SaaS programs like QuickBooks, Freshwork, Asana, Monday.com, which is a project management tool. This Asana, Monday.com, Evernote, Unbounce, all of them on Partner Stack. Now, I've been using Partner Stack for a really long time and I have had really good success with some of their product. The interesting thing is you can discover, actually, the right word is discover here. You can discover a lot of interesting affiliate product or product related to marketing or different avenues of growing an online business here. So let me just disable this shield so that we see all the images, right? Okay, so let's log in and let's see what's inside. Okay, so let's go to login. Let me log in with my email address. And all right, so we are logged in. This is how the interface looks like. So very first thing, okay, let's close this. I don't want to do this. Okay. Right, this is how the marketplace looks like. So you can find a lot of program. Let's click on trending to see which all program are trending. So here you can discover all these amazing SaaS tools. Most of them are new, like InstaPage is definitely not new. Monday.com is not new. Crowdfire is a good social media tool which is not new. Restream is another very popular tool that you can discover here. Elementor is also here, and I actually need to join Elementor over here. So let's do that. Let's see. Let's refresh this because I'm already logged in, so it should work. Okay, so it's not taking my login, which is a shame, but let's try to log in. Let's see what happens now. Okay, let's try to join this program. Okay, and okay, so let's confirm. So whenever you're joining in a program, you need to confirm like this. Okay, so confirmed and double click and confirm. So right, I've confirmed all this. Now let's refresh this page and let's see what all is in here. Okay, so we can clearly see the reward structure. We can see all the details. You can get cash out via PayPal or Stripe, and you also have the payment details. So everything is here. What is missing here is the contact detail of the affiliate manager. I think that is something which should be there on the page. But anyways, let's go to home. Let's see if Elementor is here. Okay, so I've already joined Elementor. There is already a sale here. Let's click on the Elementor affiliate program. And yeah, so once you have joined in program, you can look at this, find the summary here. You can look at the performance by clicking here. You can also click on referrals to see all the referrals that you have got. Okay, so perfect. Now go to summary. And then you can see all the activities that is there. Now honestly, I I have like a mixed feeling about this interface. I mean, it's pretty good, much better than what it was. But I think the interface could be much better from inside the view, like the inside view. But anyways, like it does the job. The program manager name is here, but the email address is not there, which is not good. Let's see if it is only with this Elementor or it's the same with the other program. So let's check it. Crowdfire. Okay. Oh, so Crowdfire does not have the link of the manager. Okay. So we do have message option where we can message the Crowdfire team. Lovely, which is good. So yeah, so contact detail is not there, but you can always use the messaging feature to message the affiliate manager. And this feature is not the same for all the program. Oh, this is here, perfect. And then there is free. Okay, this program is offering something called free restream. Let's see what is that. Okay, so we can create a free account to try out. Oh, it's a great way to promote this. But overall, you can always go to home and you can actually start with the marketplace. So the very first place you want to start with the marketplace, and then you can here you can find all the program. You can read about them. Like for example, Outgrow. We help business boost their traffic, leads, and sales via engaging calculator quizzes, pools. So for anybody who's serving the internet marketing domain, will find this program very easy. Let's see what else we have. At Write For Me, we build you a content marketing strategy and write engaging and useful content that will attract. So it's a content marketplace plus content strategy platform, which is offering about $500 for every new customer, which is pretty amazing. I mean, that $500 for single affiliate program is pretty crazy. Now, anyways, but the way I do is I usually try to discover a program from here, sign up for their trial, try it for 5 days, 10 days to get an idea that what problem this particular product is solving. And based on that, I make my content strategy, because that ways I can speak the language of the user, of the target user who have the particular problem. So that's my strategy, but you can, follow your own strategy, or you can just copy my strategy. It's okay. So once you find a program, let's say we want to join Quillbot bot, click on join program. Team owner. Okay, let's click on continue, provide all the details. So we'll skip all this, click on submit, and that's it. I've applied for the program. Now, depending on their approval rule, either I will get approved immediately, or either I will not. Let's see if we got. Oh, okay, so we got quick approval, instant approval, and oh no, so it's not instant approval. They are reviewing your application. So basically that's how you apply for any particular program. You can always discover program based on their category. Like if you are into social media, these are the products which are available for social media. Okay, very interesting product. Even I have not looked into PartnerStack for a while, and I think like after this video I'm going to spend a little time here to discover some interesting products. And let's see how we can withdraw the funds, right? Like I think so I'm already connected with my PayPal is connected with this. The best part, I don't think they have a minimal withdrawal, which is a pretty good thing. So I have like about $23. So I click on withdraw funds, and if you can see, I've already made $6,000 with PartnerStack. I've been using it for a while, though not as serious as what I use impact.com or shareasale.com. You can find all the tutorial for impact and share sale at Shout University. But anyways, so this is how it works, and I think it's pretty good. I think the major change which they have made is the program directory. Now they have a public marketplace. Before joining PartnerStack, you can always explore their marketplace, and if you find a good product that you want to promote, you can then join it. So that's all about partner stack, guys, and I hope you found this video useful. If you did, do like and share this video with others. With that, I will see you in the next video. Bye bye. This is Harsh.